Hi, my name's Tom, and this is the Whiskey Wrangler channel. How are you guys doing? So tonight I'm going to show you 5 bottles from 4 distilleries that are all under $25. So the first one right here is going to be Old Forester. It's 86 proof. The mash bill on that's 72% corn, 80% rye, and 10% malted barley. There's an estimated aging on it 3 to 5 years. So this is really reliable. It was sold before, during, and after Prohibition, and it's still around. This is actually one of the first bottles that I tried, the Old Forester, 86 proof. And to be honest with you, the reason I tried it is I thought the label looked old and I thought it looked cool. So it turns out to be one of my favorites. So the second one, sorry, the second one is Evan Williams Bourbon. This is one of my ones I keep on the bar all the time. As you can see, been sipping on it. And another little note, I don't like screw tops. So I save my corks. But anyways, the corn, the mash bill on this, the corn is 75 to 78%. The rye is 10 to 13%. And the malted barley is 10 to 12. So you're gonna have a little sweet profile, less on the spice. Again, the age statement on this, since it's a Bourbon, has to be aged for a minimum of 4 years from one distilling season, from one distiller, and it's bottled at 100 proof. So the third one, this one is Fighting Cock. It comes in at 103%. It actually has the same mash bill of the Evan Williams, but the age statement on this is around 6 years. So for both of these are $19.95, and I can't remember, but if I told you, but the Old Forester was $22.95. So again, this is 103 proof, and it's estimated a 6 year on that. Let's move these down here. The fourth bottle, Old Granddad Bourbon. Now this one is going to have a 63% corn mash on the mash bill, 63% corn, 27% rye, and a 10% malted barley. So you're going to get more spice on the front end on this, and less sweet on, say, if you're going to try against the Evan Williams. This is really good. I would definitely always have that on your bar. The last one here is, let's bring these down just a tad. The last one here, Benchmark Full Proof, comes in at 125 proof. The reason I chose this, and I wanted to kind of give you from a lower proof to a medium proof, kind of step it up a little bit to a 125. Now this one is $22.95. The mash bill is mash bill 1 from Buffalo Trace, and also you get your Buffalo Trace, your Eagle Rare, and your Stag from that same mash bill. But that's a whole video some other time. But this one right here, this is an excellent one to have. You're in that higher proof point tier there, and it just has some really great flavors. It's gonna be sweet. You're gonna get some caramels on it, some vanillas, oak, some brown sugars. This is just at the end of the night, this is a nice sipper to have. Again, go back to this one, $22.95, $22.95. So 5 bottles, 4 distilleries. I think, my opinion, someone else can disagree, or they can leave in the comment what they would choose. But I think if you're starting out, this is a really great lineup to put on your bar. So the next thing is, which one of these are going to win in a blind? And that's going to be in the next video. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Hit that thumbs up. Appreciate you guys. Have a good night.